In this video, I'll teach you 8 different ways you can say please in Jamaican Patois. So please keep watching.
Come and me teach you Patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. Now, please in English has quite a few meanings. For example, to give pleasure, or you can use please to make a request. Now, in this lesson, I will be focusing on the meaning of asking for something or requesting something. Okay? So let's begin. Now, the first way to say please in Jamaican Patois is please, just as in English. Now, this is the common spelling and this is the Cassidy JLU spelling. And if you're unaware of the Cassidy JLU writing system, there's a video on this page that I explain it in depth, and I'm going to link it here and also at the end of the video so you can check it out. But please is the first way to say please in Jamaican Patois. For example, in this sentence, turn on the AC for me please. Turn on the AC for me please. And once again, the blue spelling is the Cassidy JLU spelling. The black spelling is the common spelling. Because you know, at this present moment, both are acceptable. Okay, so turn on the AC for me please. Turn on the AC for me please. Or in this sentence is saying, please turn on the AC. Turn on the AC for me, please. And example 2, lend me a book, please. Lend me a book, please. And this means, lend me your book, please. Or please lend me your book. So the first way is please. Number 2, do. Do. And once again, common spelling, and the blue is Cassidy JLU spelling. This is pronounced do. Another way to say please, do. Now, let's look at some sentences. For example, give me $100 now, do. Give me $100 now, do. In this case, the do here means please. Give me $100, please. Give me $100 now, do. And example 2, do. Go look if you see him. Do. Go look if you see him. And in this sentence, the do here means please. Like, please go and look for him. Go and look to see if you see him. Kind of meaning. So in this case, do would mean please. And if you notice, the do at the end or at the beginning is kind of separate from the rest of the sentence. So it's like, do. Go look for him for me now. Or give me $100 now. Do. Right? So in that case, do could be translated to please. Number 3, the third way you can say please in Jamaican Patois is Beggio. Beggio. And once again, we have the common spelling and the Cassidy JLU spelling. Now, Beggio, it can mean please, but it can also mean something else I'll explain later. Now, in these sentences, Beggio give me 2 orange there. Beggio give me 2 orange there. This could mean, please give me 2 oranges. Please give me 2 oranges. Beggio give me 2 orange there. And in this sentence, Beggio come go up ya. Beggio come go up ya. Beggio means please go home. In this sentence, it can mean please go home. Beggio kongwopia, please go home. Now, this word, kongwop. Kongwop. Go up is, it was originally go up, like you're going up on a hill. So, not necessarily a hill, but a higher elevation than where you are now. So if your destination is higher than where you are, you're gonna say go up. If the place is lower than where you are, you can say go down. Go down at all. Most people say go down at all though. Anyway, and another variation is go over. So if, like, you know, your neighbor may go over, or may go over country, depending on elevation and how people talk, right? So that's the original meaning. So you have go up, go over, and go down. So that's where this comes from. Come go up. Now, usually when people say may I come go up, may I come go up, or come go up, they're usually saying go home. Usually, but not all the time. There are exceptions. But for example, when I use it, if I say may I come go up, I'm usually referring to my home, or wherever is like the final destination for the day or something like that. May I come go up, right? Now, recently, especially on social media, when you see go up, come go up, it can also mean behave yourself. If somebody says something and the response is kind of cheeky, or, you know, another person will probably comment under that saying, come go up, come go up. And that's not necessarily go home, you know, you are home using your phone. So in that case, it means behave yourself or something like that. But it's not so serious, you know. So that's come go up. It packs a lot, this one little phrase, come go up, right? So the third, like I said, the third way to say please in Jamaican Patois is Beggio. Now, Beggio can have different meanings, so context is important. So Beggio can also mean give me, in the sense of I'm asking you for something. So it kind of boils down to please, but in some cases it literally means I'm begging you, which kind of still boils down to please give me. You know what I mean? So probably it's not so far. But yeah, so we have to be careful of that. Context is very important. So for example, if we have this sentence, beg you some clothes. Beg you some clothes. And once again, we have the Cassidy gel you spelling in blue. Beg you some clothes, right? This could mean give me some clothes, right? Give me some clothes. But if we say a sentence like this, beg you some clothes, do. This is quite natural. Beg you some clothes, do. Beg you some clothes, do. Once again, remember, do was the second way to say please. So in this case, the do would act as the please. Give me some clothes, please. Okay? But yeah, beg you is another way of saying please. Okay, the fourth way to say please in Jamaican Patois is me a beg you. Me a beg you. And this is similar to number 3, Beggio, but this is usually seen as a set phrase, me a beg you, me a beg you. So, for example, in this sentence, go on home, me a beg you. Go on home, me a beg you. Go on home, me a beg you. This means, please go home. Go home, please. Go home, please. And number 2, me a beg you hurry up and come back. Me a beg you hurry up and come back. And this means, please hurry, and hurry in the sense of go and come back. Okay? Please go and come back quickly. Yeah, that's what that means. Please go and come back quickly. Me I beg you hurry up and come back. And of course, we have me here. Me I beg you. Me I beg you. So me is a personal pronoun, right? So if we have a personal pronoun, obviously we can change it because we have quite a few of them. So me I beg you is fine. I'm asking you, or in that sense. You is you. So we could replace me with you. You, or so the personal pronouns in Jamaican Patois: me, yo, him, she, them, and we. Okay, but I'll do a whole other lesson about that one soon. Number 5. Another way to say please, or to give the idea of saying please, in Jamaican Patois is do me a beg you, or me a beg you do. So the do can go at the beginning, do me a beg you, or at the end, me a beg you do. And if you notice, we met do before and we met me a beg you before. So now we're just putting them together. Do me a beg you, or me a beg you do. Now, for example, the example is only written in the Cassidy JLU because I don't have enough space. So I didn't write the common spelling this time. So the example, Conga shop for me, may I beg you do. Conga shop for me, may I beg you do. This means, Conga shop for me, may I beg you do. This means, please come and go to the store or to the shop for me. I'd like you to go to the store for me, please. If I were to translate word for word, it would be come, go to the shop for me, please. But of course, that's not natural English. So natural English would be, can you go to the shop for me, please? Or I'd like you to go to the shop for me, please. And so in this case, me a beg you do would be please. And example number 2. You try eat up the whole of that the food they know. Do me a beg you. And of course, once again, this is also written in the Cassidy JLU. No common spelling here because the space is kind of limited. You try eat up the whole of that the food they know. Do me a beg you. And this means you try. You try is kind of like please as well, but it's more threatening. You try eat up the whole of that the food there, you know. Do me a beg you. Do me a beg you here once again, please. You try, when you try starts a sentence, you try is like please do that, or else. It comes with an or else kind of. It's kind of threatening. It's kind of threatening. You try. So if a parent would say, you try wash up them the dishes that before me come home, you know, say you try means you better do it before they come home, or else. That's the kind of idea. I need to explain this more in another video. Okay, so you try eat up the whole of that the food they know. Do me a beg you. Please eat all the food that you have there. Make sure you eat everything in front of you, please. That's what that means. Okay, the 6th way to say please in Jamaican Patois is no. No. Now, you may be tempted to say no, like in English, how it's spelled, but the pronunciation is no. No. For example, sit down no, sit down no. And usually this no, it goes up. Like the intonation is kind of high. No, sit down no. Follow me go over this or no. Follow me go over this or no. So sit down no means please sit. But it's strong, right? Well, sometimes it's strong. Like context and tone and all of those are important, because if I say to a child who is misbehaving or, you know, busybody, moving around all the time, and I say, sit down now, that means sit, like it's a strong sit. But then if there's an empty chair there and I'm with my friend and we're standing and I just say, sit down now, it's like, sit, you know, the chair is there, sit, but it's not so strong, you know, because in that case I wouldn't have the authority and it's my friend I'm talking to. So yeah, intonation and context is very important. But no, in this case would be sit, please sit, in that kind of sense. Sit down now means please sit. Now the second sentence, follow me go over this now. Follow me go over this now. This means follow me. Follow me means go with me. Let's go together. Follow me, go over. Previously we met the go up. This is the another counterpart of the go up, the go over, go over, we're going somewhere. Deso means there, and no, please. Please come with me to go over there. That sounds kind of strange in English. Please come with me over there. Is that correct English? It sounds okay, but that's the kind of idea. All right, follow me go over this now. Please go with me over there. Let's go over there together. Please. Let's go over there together, please. Kind of meaning. Now, something very important to notice is the position of the no. The position of the no, right? We notice it's at the end of the sentence. It's at the end of the sentence. Sit down no, that means please sit. However, if I had a sentence like this, no, sit down. If I had a sentence like this, no, sit down, the position of the no at the front means don't. So in this case, it's please. In this case, it's don't. Sit down now, please sit. No, sit down. Don't sit. Okay? It's the same with this one. Follow me go over this one now. If we move the position of the no to the beginning, if we move the position of the no to the beginning and we get the sentence, no follow me go over this. No follow me go over this. That means don't come with me. Don't do it. Don't come with me. So, follow me go over this. Please accompany me. Follow me go over this. No, please accompany me. No follow me go over this. Don't accompany me. So, the no at the ending means please. But the no at the beginning can mean don't or no or something usually in the negative. Something in the negative. And when I say negative, I don't mean bad. I just mean like a sentence. Like a negative sentence would be, a positive sentence would be, I can dance. And a negative sentence would be, I can't dance. So when you see no in a Jamaican Patois sentence, it's usually in the negative in that sense. Not in like a, it's bad kind of sense. You know? I hope that makes sense. Okay, number 7. See if you can. See if you can. And this literally translates to see if you can in English, but generally it could mean please, right? See if you can, please. So for example, number 1, say if you can go up at the shop for me. Why I love send people go shop you? Why so much of my sentence I'm in shop? Anyway, see if you can go up at the shop for me. Of course, see if you can, the phrase means see if you can go to the shop for me, but of course, we really mean please go to the shop for me. Say if you can go up at the shop for me. And once again, the spelling is Cassidy JLU. I have ditched the common spelling at this point. I am so sorry. But, right? See if you can go up at the shop for me. Please go to the shop for me. Number 2, see if you can wash out the clothes them. And once again, see if you can. See if you can, quite literally. But it really means please in this sentence. Please wash out the clothes. And once again, close them. Remember we did the them means the plural. Close them. In Jamaican Patois, close them. See if you can wash out the clothes them. Please wash the clothes. Number 8. Now, I touched on this a little bit earlier. I don't remember what number, but you try. You try. So, you try. Now, it's kind of nuanced that I'm going to explain why. So, you try. Once again, this is the common spelling and the Cassidy JLU spelling. You try in this sense, you try ... could mean please. It could mean please. And I'm going to explain how. So if you see a sentence like this, or if you hear a phrase like this, you're trying to lick me. You're trying to lick me. The you try here, it could be please don't hit me. No lick me means don't hit me. Okay? So you try no lick me could be please don't hit me. But it comes with a nuanced meaning of it's like a threat. If you hit me, something will happen. Lick me and see. Lick me and see what me do. Kind of like I'm going to defend myself if you hit me. So it's kind of, the nuanced meaning is kind of threatening, like something will happen if you don't listen to what I'm saying now. So like I explained just a little bit earlier, I'm going to expound on it now. You try to lick me, in this sense, you try means please, but it comes with a threatening tone. Okay? This is in households in Jamaica. Kids, we hear this. We used to hear this all the time. You try do something, you know, and you make sure you do it. They're saying please do something, but you know, they're not really using no please. It's just a tell me. You're trying to lick me, please don't hit me, but it comes with the nuanced meaning of it sounds kind of threatening. Same with you're trying to go down there. You're trying to go down there. You try means please, can mean please in this sense. You try no go down there, no go down there. Once again, go down means remember we did go up and go over. Now we mean go down. It means go down. In destination, go down there, go down there. You're trying to go down there. Please don't go down there. Kind of nuanced. It comes with the hidden meaning of if you go down there, I'll do this, or something will happen, or you know, it's a command. It's a strong command. And you try is usually, most cases, it's usually used from a person of authority, like a parent or like a teacher or police or something like that. With friends as well, but it's like I said, Jamaican Patois is context is very important. Context and tone, very, very important. So context and tone can change the entire meaning of a phrase. Just the context and tone alone. Same words, context and tone can change all of that. So yeah, this is number 8. You try ... Okay, now let's do a quick recap. Now, like I said earlier, there are 8 ways to say, at least 8 ways. There may be more that I didn't think of. But as a matter of fact, if you know any more, put them in the comment section below, please. So there are at least 8 ways to say please in Jamaican Patois. And the meaning of please that I looked at was making a request or making a request or a command, kind of please, do something, kind of please. And in this video, I looked at these 8. So the first one, please. Once again, we ditched the common spelling and now we're just doing the Cassidy JLU spelling. So number 1, we did please, do, Beggio, mia Beggio. Number 5, do mia Beggio or mia Beggio do. Number 6, no. And number 7, say if you can, see if you can. And number 8, you try ... So there you have it, 8 ways to say please in Jamaican Patois. Do you know how to say father in Jamaican Patois? Do you know that there are more than 2 languages spoken in Jamaica? Please check out those videos and so many more on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.